This is a new project I'm working on. It's Tom and Jerry. Let's start by carving Tom. As I do with all my router projects, I use my foot pedal. This is a Win. This project I'm going to be using my Dremel 3000. It has a router attachment on it. The bit inside it is a CNC bit. I bought a set of these from Amazon. It feels kind of like the Dremel is a little bit underpowered, so I'm going to go and use this router. There's a profile bit on there, you can see it. It's so much smoother and easier to cut with this router than it is with the Dremel. The Dremel just has really fine bits you can use. This bit is really fine itself, but the Dremel has some really small bits. It's just the power thing is the only issue.
Here's what the outline's starting to look like. This is my go-to bit. It's a 4 1/8 bit. It's a great bit for carving out detail.
Here's where we're at now. The routing's all pretty much done. Maybe a little bit of cleanup here and there. I'm going to use a primer coat as usual on these projects. Start with this, do one quick coat, and then get to the painting. Gonna start by putting some white here, 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 and here. This is a red and white mix with a tiny bit of yellow, and this could be for the 2 years. If you're still here, please hit the like button, subscribe if you like this kind of content.
Growing up, I always thought Tom was blue until I started working on this project and see these gray. There's a background here, it's just green, and the sky I'm going to do in blue. I'm not going to do like the actual background, it just seemed like too much detail.
This is where the best part of this project comes in. You put the black on. I could just dab it and then spread it after that.
It's always nice to do the black. It always ties the project together and it's pretty satisfying. That's the classic Tom facial expression right there.
Finish most of my projects with this polyacrylic. Very easy to apply. Just use a brush or a sponge. I have used polyacrylic on coasters and the application is way different. It's way harder process. Polyacrylic does give it a bit of a shine to it.
Here's what it looks like finished. It turned out really well. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. Thanks for watching.